Alright, so now we're top side of the loft. This will eventually be the loft room, you can see. That now the space, the height actually has been created. Of course the boiler's going to go. Okay, so we're here with Pete and we've just finished Pete's lovely loft in Kingston. Pete, how did it go?
Amazing, couldn't have gone better. Team were fantastic throughout and what a new amazing home, and me and the son are enjoying it. It's perfect. Couldn't be happier than going to City Lofts.
But your son's got a lovely nickname for the loft, right?
Yeah, he calls it the cloud. So not like the iCloud, but it's his cloud. So he loves it.
Fantastic.